Oh, my family background. All right. Well, both my parents were immigrants. My father came from the area of Vilnius, and my mother came from probably further northeast around. I'm sure it was Minsk-Gubernia, what they called Minsk-Gubernia. It was a little village, and I did find it on a map. I had no trouble finding my father's area on a map, and then because he said that they had gone to Vilnius, and after the television program Roots, when there was some instructions about how to look up your roots in Eastern Europe, because my maiden name was Epstein, but that wasn't my name. I found that his name, which had been Lachovitsky, was actually the name of a little village south of Vilnius, so it all fit. And my poor mother, we never believed anything she said, and she said she came from a little place called Zaslav. And eventually, in hunting bigger and bigger atlases, I found Zaslav.